Events from the year 1637 in Sweden. Incumbents. Monarch, Christina. Events. The first regulation of the Romani, plockat om tetrarens fordrift vind av landet, declare all Romani expelled from Sweden. All adult men are sentenced to death, while women and children are to be hunted over the borders. Gs Wechel becomes the first female manager of the Swedish Post Office. Births. Axel Julius de Lagarde, Field Marshal and Governor General, died 1710. Beta Elizabeth von Königsmark, Countess and landowner, died 1723. Deaths. References